Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield is one of the oldest and most iconic motorcycle manufacturers in the world, with a rich history that dates back to 1901. Originally based in England, Royal Enfield has a legacy of producing classic motorcycles known for their distinctive design, robust build quality, and thumping engine sound. History: Royal Enfield was founded in 1901 in Redditch, England, and initially produced bicycles. The company later transitioned to manufacturing motorcycles and became known for its reliable and durable machines. Classic design: Royal Enfield motorcycles are renowned for their classic design cues, which include features like teardrop fuel tanks, chrome finishes, round headlights, and exposed metal elements. The brand's retro styling harks back to its vintage roots and appeals to enthusiasts seeking a timeless aesthetic. Thumping engines: one of the defining characteristics of Royal Enfield motorcycles is their distinctive thumping engine sound, produced by their single-cylinder engines. This sound has become synonymous with the brand and adds to the unique riding experience offered by Royal Enfield motorcycles. Bullet Series: the Royal Enfield Bullet is the brand's most iconic model, with production dating back to 1932. The Bullet has undergone numerous updates and iterations over the years but has retained its classic appeal and rugged charm. It remains one of the longest continuously produced motorcycle models in the world. Global presence: while Royal Enfield has its roots in England, it has a strong presence in India, where it has been manufacturing motorcycles since the 1950s. In recent years, Royal Enfield has expanded its global footprint and has become popular in markets around the world, including Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. Variety of models: in addition to the Bullet series, Royal Enfield offers a range of other models catering to different riding preferences and styles. This includes the Classic Series, Thunderbird Series, Himalayan Adventure Bike, and the more recent Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650 models, which feature twin-cylinder engines. Community and culture: Royal Enfield has cultivated a strong sense of community and culture among its riders, who often participate in group rides, events, and rallies. The brand's motorcycles evoke a sense of adventure and exploration, and many riders embark on long-distance journeys to explore new destinations. Modernization efforts: while Royal Enfield maintains its classic appeal, the company has also embraced modern engineering and technology to enhance the performance and reliability of its motorcycles. Recent models feature fuel injection, disc brakes, ABS, and other modern amenities while still retaining the brand's vintage charm. Royal Enfield continues to be a revered name in the motorcycle world, appealing to riders who appreciate classic design, heritage, and the joy of riding. With its commitment to craftsmanship and innovation, Royal Enfield remains an influential force in the global motorcycle industry.